Hi guys, welcome. Another video just on how to do the clock set and date set on an Audi A4 B7. Probably similar for other models as well. Super simple. Just push your mode button, give it one click, and then obviously you've got your plus and minus buttons to go up and down. So once you want to go to the minutes, push it again. Same again, plus and minus, up and down, and then another click, and then you get your date. So you get the gist of it. So you sort of go through, changing your dates, changing your time, and then goes full circle. Hold it, job done. So that's nice and easy. Also another one, if you're new to Audis, just for checking the system, just push the check button on the dash, and then that goes through various different things, obviously to let you know how the car's running and if there's any problems. So hope it helps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Cheers, bye.